So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to cover a very specific problem which I faced during making one of my automations. So I wanted to make a simple alarm system which I could sell to businesses, but faced a huge problem. I was using Google Forms for managing the leads, and then I wanted to send emails automatically to the customers who gave their information on that Google form, and then also update the client that a new lead has come. But I thought using a simple Google Forms module, which we can see here, this watch responses, which says it triggers when new response is received, but this is not true. Just like a webhook, this does not trigger after each and every response is received, and it can be only triggered once a day or every 15 minutes. But we don't want that. We want trigger this automation after each and every new form is submitted. So today I'll teach you how to integrate webhook to your Google form. So I've created one sample Google form here where I'm taking the customer's name, email, phone number, service, etc. This is a sample form. So what I'll do is I'll create a new automation, search for a webhook. I'll take the custom webhook. Great. So I'll just add a new one, test2, and save. Now we'll be needing this API key. So for now I'll not copy this. Alright. Go to your Google Forms. Then if you have a professional domain like @leadbridge.com or something, you can use it. But many people watching this video don't have a professional domain and they normally use @gmail.com. So there is a solution for them. Go to this More tab, App Scripts, and in the description below I'll provide you with this code, with a simple script which you have to basically insert in this editor tab, code.js. And then go to your make.com, copy this webhook, copy address to clipboard, and then basically paste it between these two double quotes. Great. So now I'll click on new deployment. Description, you can name it anything. I'll just name it test2 deploy. And we don't need any of this information, so you can just click done. And after that we'll go to triggers, and then you have to go here to add trigger, and just in this select event type on open, do it on form submit, and then click save. Great. So after creating this, I'll just make a new Google sheet for testing purposes. Okay, so for our integration, we'll just take a response from a lead and then add it to this Google Sheets module. So add new module, Google Sheets, add a row. Okay, so I'll just copy this ID, search from all, I'll just provide my spreadsheet ID. Sheet will be sheet 1, and table contains headers. Okay. So we'll just save this for now, and once these steps are done, we can just close this scripts tab, and then in the Google Sheets module, I'll just add all the information and we'll save this. Great. So we want to turn on this automation immediately as a new data arrives. First we'll save this, and then max runs per minute should be 1. So every minute it will process a new data, and save. And now I'll just test this. And now I'll just copy the link. We submitted the response. Now let's see if our automation works. Great. It has added the information to this Google Sheets. So this is how basically you connect a Google Forms webhook to your make.com scenario. The script for the Google Forms will be provided in the description below, and there will also be a link to your make.com so you can start the automation journey. I hope this video provided you with some value. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.